Folders can help manage and categorize files. To create a folder, click New and select Folder. Type a name in the pop-up and click Create. The new folder will display in Drive. To move a file or folder to a different location, right-click it and select Move To. Then, find and select a location, and click Move. The content is now available in the new location. Be aware that moving files to a new location may change the sharing permissions. Another way to move files and folders is to click and drag content to the desired location. The search feature can be used to quickly locate files and folders. To search, enter terms in the search bar to the top of the page. A list of suggested results will display while typing. Press Enter when ready and the full search results will display. To access search and filter options, click the down arrow to the right of the search bar. More information about using Google Drive can be found in our other videos or by visiting the PLU Knowledge Base.